This is a Cree LED flashlight comparison. First up for comparison is the Ultrafire WF-502B with a XML-T6 450 lumen. You can see up close it's pretty bright. Some bugs and stuff flying around out here. That's the high mode. Fast flash, SOS. There's low mode. You can barely see it down on the ground. I mean, it's enough light to work with. Here's medium, and there's bright, and it reaches out. It's probably, I'm guessing, 40 yards out to the edge of the field. So it's a decent light. I've had this light for about 3 years. Originally came with a 280 lumen drop-in module, and I changed it out with the 450. The 450's of course a little bit brighter. Next up is the Keygos KE1. Has a Cree XML-T6 and it's rated at 1300 lumens. That's the low. You can see it's a little bit better spot than the 450 lumen light. Fast flash is much faster. SOS is even a little faster. There's high. You can see it's a better spot and lights up out into the field, probably a good 70 yards out. There's a stop sign down there. I don't know if you can see that flashing or not. A little bit. It's medium. It's low. A little bit brighter than the 450 lumen. Next up is my 2D Mag-lite conversion. This Mag-lite is probably 10 years old. Converted it over to a 900 lumen drop-in module from Deal Extreme. The item number is 58481. Did have to do some modification to get it to fit down inside the head of the flashlight. Changed out the switch, and I milled out a battery tube to make the 18650 batteries fit inside this tube without any rattling around. It worked out pretty good. Let's see here. Yeah, this is the brightest mode, and it's pretty bright. It's shining out all the way down to that back side of that stop ahead sign, which is down there. That's probably a good 250 yards away. It's shining out into the field quite a ways. And then, let's see here. Fast flash. SOS. And low beam. Medium beam. That's out at the edge of the field. And then back to high beam, and once again reaching out pretty good. Next up is the Trustfire 3T6, which has 3 XML-T6 LEDs rated at 3800 lumens, and I believe that is high mode. You can see it's a lot brighter. There's a bigger flood. Lights up down the side of the road right there is probably good 80-90 yards away. You can see the back of that sign down there, and out into the field. And I'm pretty sure that's high mode, medium mode, low mode, which is still very usable. Fast flash, SOS. The SOS is kind of slow. Next up is the Trustfire TR-J18. It's got 7 XML-T6 for a rating of 8500 lumens. And as you can see, it is super bright. It is just a huge amount of light. Probably every bit as bright or brighter than a car headlight, and super white. I'm turning the flashlight. I don't see too much distortion in the flood. Not much to say for a spot other than it's a huge spot. Really puts out nice light. It's medium mode, low mode, which is still a lot of light. Looks like the flash rate is not syncing up with the shutter speed real good on the camera. It's the fast flash. SOS seems to be pretty fast. And back to high mode again. Now these are the 3 brightest lights. Get the 1300 lumen on the right, the 3800 lumen in the middle, and there's the big 8500 lumen with the 7 LEDs on it. You can see how each one is progressively brighter and all getting out there in the field pretty good. There, I got them separated pretty good. The small 1300 lumen single XML has a better spot on it, which makes the spot look brighter. Now those 3 lights, the one on the left is the 1300 lumen, the one in the middle is the 900 lumen, and then the one on the right is the 450 lumen. Alright, this is all 3, or sorry, this is 4 of the lights shining. From the right is the 450 lumen, the 900 lumen, the 1300 lumen, and the 3800 lumen. And then I'll turn the 8500 lumen on top of all of them. You can just see how it just washes everything out.